it's me again. A pleasant morning to all of you. Welcome back to English class. It's nice to meet all of you again after a week. I hope you all did your exam well. So, today we can start a new lesson from your new pathways book, okay? Fine. Before that, I want to share something with you about our country. So, India is our country. You all knew that. It has 29 states and 7 union territories. Okay. New Delhi is the capital of our country, India. I want all of you to keep this in your mind because it is necessary to uh, know about all these things. Okay. About our country. We should know about this. So that's why I really wanted to share this to you. So it has 29 states and 7 union territories. New Delhi is the capital of our country. Okay. And then come to the national animal bird flower. So the national animal is tiger. National bird of our country is peacock. And national flower is lotus. Okay. National anthem is Janagana Mana. And the national emblem is an adaptation of the lion capital of Ashoka. Okay, it has a wheel in that we have 24 spokes as well. At the right side, we can see a bull and a horse on the left side. Okay, so you can also see the national emblem in our national flag. Okay, you can, if you want, you can check it out. And our country got freedom on 15th August 1947. So we are celebrating Independence Day on 15th August and we are celebrating Republic Day on 22nd. So I think today it's enough for you. We can continue this in the next class. So now I want all of you to take your new pathways book. Today we are going to learn a poem. Okay, today we are going to learn a poem. So if you are ready, let's get started. I hope you all took your book. Please turn page number 34. Well, if you take page number 34, the title of our poem is The Letter A. What is the title of a poem? The letter A. So from the title itself, we can understand that we are going to learn something about the letter A. Okay. So come on. If what are the things are coming in your mind if you heard the letter A? What are the things coming in your mind when you heard the letter A? Yes, the first thing is this is the first alphabet, right? The first letter of our alphabet. Are you ready to learn about the letter A? Fine. Come on, let's learn. The letter A, okay? The letter A is awesome. It simply is the best, okay? So the poet is saying the letter A is awesome. It simply is the best, okay? One of the best letter. Without an A, you could not get an A plus on a test, okay? So after you completed your exam, you will get grades, right? Yes. So for higher marks, it will give the grade as A plus, okay? So that's what the poet is saying. Without an A, you could not get an A plus on a test. Without the letter A, can we able to give the grade as A plus? No, right? Yes, that's what the poet is saying. Without an A, you could not get an A plus on a test. You would never see an acrobat. Okay, you would never see an acrobat. What is meant by acrobat? A person who performs activities using a rope. Okay, person who performs an activities using ropes can called as acrobat. Okay, so you would never see an acrobat or eat an apple pie. Okay, apple pie is a delicious food, okay, which can be prepared by using apples and flour. Okay, apple pies are the delicious baked dish which can be made with apples and flour. Okay, so can you able to see this acrobat, apple pie, all those words are starting with the letter A. Okay, that's why the poet is saying you would never see an acrobat or eat an apple pie without the letter A. You couldn't be an astronaut or kiss your aunt goodbye. Okay, you couldn't be an astronaut. Okay, so the first letter of astronaut is A. Okay, that's why without A you couldn't be an astronaut. What is meant by astronaut? The person who travels to space. Okay, a person who travels to space can be called as astronaut. Or kiss your aunt goodbye. Okay, so the first letter of aunt is A. Okay, or kiss your aunt goodbye. You can't even say goodbye to your aunt without the letter A. An antelope would not exist. Okay, an antelope would not be exist. What is meant by antelope? A kind of deer. Okay, a kind of deer is called as antelope. This antelope have horns which looks like branches. Okay, that's why this kind of deer are called as antelope. An antelope would not exist. An ape would be unknown. Okay, an ape would be unknown. Even this is a kind of an animal. An ape would be unknown. So both these antelope and ape starts with the letter A. You would never hear a person say afraid or all alone. See, both these words afraid and all alone start with the letter A. So you would never hear, even we used to say I'm so afraid. She is so afraid of this. Okay, I'm staying all alone. Okay, so without the letter A we can't use these words afraid and all alone. That's what the poet is saying. The A's in avocado would completely disappear. Okay, the A's in avocado. Avocado is a kind of fruit. Okay, even this avocado starts with the letter A. The A's in avocado would completely disappear and certain words would be forgot like ankle, arm, ear. Okay, without the letter A we can the words would be forgot. Okay, these kind of words would be forgot. What are the words? Ankle, arm and ear. Okay, see, in all these words letter A is there. Okay, that's what the poet was trying to say. Without the letter A these words would not remain. Okay, without the A you couldn't aim an arrow in the air. Okay, so both arrow and air the letter A is there. So without this letter A we can't even aim an arrow in the air. You wouldn't ask for apricots or almonds at a fair. Okay, you can't even ask if you want to buy apricots. Apricot is a kind of fruit as well. Almond, you all know it's a kind of nut. Okay, so apricot, without a letter A we can't name this fruit as apricot, right? Am I right? We have the letter A, that's why the name of this fruit is apricot, or else we can't call this fruit as apricot, or else without the letter A we can't call this nut as almond, right? That's what the poet was saying. Without the letter A you wouldn't ask for apricots or almonds at a fair. Aruba and Australia would be missing from a map. Okay, so Aruba and Australia is the name of a place. This is Aruba and this is Australia. Okay, so both these words would be missing. Both these places would be missing from a map without the letter A. Why? Because both these name of the places start with the letter A. Okay, so Aruba and Australia would be missing from a map. You would never use an ATM, an apron or an app. Okay, so without the without the letter A you can't use an ATM. Okay, so you all know about ATM. So for what purpose we will use this ATM? Yes, to get the money. Okay, so you would never use an ATM or apron or an app. The Arctic fox and aardvark would be absent from the zoo. Okay, Arctic fox and aardvark, both these are the name of the animals. So Arctic fox is a kind of fox that is found in the cold Arctic regions. Okay, only in the cold Arctic region we can find this Arctic fox. And aardvark is a mammal. Okay, it's a mammal variety animal that lives in a burrow. Okay, so both the name of these animals starting with the letter A, Arctic fox and aardvark. So without the letter A, we can't find this Arctic fox and aardvark from the zoo. Okay, these both animals would be absent from the zoo. That's what the poet was saying. And vowels, as you know them. So we all knew there are 5 vowel letters, right? Yes. So what all the vowel letters are there? A, E, I, O, U. So the first letter is A, right? See, and vowel letters, as you know them, without the vowel letter, only this will remain. E, I, O, U. Okay. The letter A would be missing. That's what the poet was saying. And vowels, as you know them, would be E, I, O, and U without the letter A. Okay, there wouldn't be an A chord on the instruments you play. So see, there are so many instruments out there: keyboard, casio, guitar. Okay, so many instruments are there. In all the instrument, they have many chords. Okay, C chord, D chord, E chord, A chord, etc., etc. So there wouldn't be an A chord if the letter A is not there. There wouldn't be an A chord on the instruments you play. Okay. So the poet was saying, let's appreciate, admire, and applaud the letter A. Okay. So finally, the poet said, let's appreciate. Okay. Let's prize. Let's prize by clapping. If someone scored good marks, or if someone did a good thing, we used to applaud them by clapping our hands, right? So that's what the poet was saying. So let's appreciate, admire, and applaud the letter A. Okay, have you all understood? Have you all liked the poem? I hope you all liked it, because we not only learned about the letter A, we learned so many vocabs. Okay, you learned about so many animals, places, things, fruits. Am I right? So it was really the very interesting topic. Okay, I hope you all liked it. So now the thing is, I'm going to give a reading practice for you. Okay, so you have to take your book and you have to look at your book, because the first 10 lines of this poem is going to be your memory poem. Okay, the first 10 lines you are going to memorize it. Okay, the letter A is awesome. You have to start from that line and up to this line, and A would be unknown. Okay, so the first 10 lines of this poem will be your memory poem. You have to memorize it. Okay, so come on, all of you, take your book. Let me give reading practice. First, listen carefully. Okay, listen carefully. Everyone should know to read it. Everyone should know to read it. So come on, have you all took? Fine. So the title is The Letter A. Okay, let me read the first 10 lines. These 10 lines will be your memory poem. The letter A is awesome. It simply is the best. Without an A, you could not get an A plus on a test. You would never see an acrobat or eat an apple pie. You couldn't be an astronaut or kiss your aunt goodbye. An antelope would not exist. An ape would be unknown. Okay, so these 10 lines you are going to memorize for your exam. This will be your today's study portion. Okay, let me read once again. Listen carefully. Okay, you have to pronounce the words properly. That's why again and again I am asking you to listen carefully. Okay, let me read. The letter A is awesome. It simply is the best. Without an A, you could not get an A plus on a test. You would never see an acrobat or eat an apple pie. You couldn't be an astronaut or kiss your aunt goodbye. An antelope would not exist. An ape would be unknown. Okay, fine. Now come to the next part. You would never hear a person say afraid or all alone. The A's in avocado would completely disappear and certain words would be forgot like ankle, arm and ear. Without the A, you couldn't aim an arrow in the air. You wouldn't ask for apricots or almonds at a fair. Aruba and Australia would be missing from a map. You would never use an ATM, an apron, or an app. The Arctic fox and aardvark would be absent from the zoo, and vowels, as you know them, would be E, I, O, and U. There wouldn't be an A chord on the instruments you play. Let's appreciate, admire, and applaud the letter A. Okay, so the author of this poem is Darren Sadley. Okay, Darren Sadley is the author of this poem. You have to learn while you are memorizing the poem, you have to learn the title as well the name of the author. Okay, so for even for exam, while you are writing, you have to write the title as well the author name. Okay, so don't forget it. This will be your memory poem, the first 10 lines of this poem. Okay, you have to learn the first 10 lines of the poem. Now we are going to do the book exercise. Okay, so let's do the book exercise. Get ready with your pencil. Get ready with your pencil and turn page number 35. Okay, first all of you mark the poem. So first you have to write the title, the letter A, and start from here. The letter A is awesome. It simply is the best. Without an A, you could not get an A plus on a test. You would never see an acrobat or eat an apple pie. You couldn't be an astronaut or kiss your aunt goodbye. An antelope would not exist and it would be unknown, up to unknown. Okay, so the first 10 lines. And now come to page number 35. Mark the name of the author, Darren Sadley. Okay, fine. So you have to learn these things, the title, then the 10 lines of the poem and the name of the author. Okay, now come to the exercise part. So first, third, fourth and fifth, those questions I will give in your note. Today we are going to do only the second part. Okay, match the first column with the second one in the table given below. Match the first column with the second one in the table given below. Apricots, so sorry, the first column is for without these A letter words, then don't, second column, these could happen. Without these A letter words, these could happen. Okay, everything is from your poem only. So apricots and almonds, which is the correct answer? Yes, one could have not asked for them at a fair. See, apricots and almonds, where it is. Yes, see, apricots or almonds. You wouldn't ask for apricots or almonds at a fair. So the correct answer is one could have not asked for them at a fair. So mark it. Okay. Now come to the second one. Aruba and Australia. Aruba and Australia. Yes, would have been missing from the world map. Come on, come to your poem and found it. Aruba and Australia would be missing from a map. Okay, so Aruba and Australia would have been missing from the world map. Mark it. Fine. Now come to the third one. Arctic fox and aardvark. Arctic fox and aardvark would have disappeared from the zoo. See, Arctic fox and aardvark would be absent from the zoo. So that's what they mentioned here. Arctic fox and aardvark would have disappeared from the zoo. So mark it. Okay. Now A plus. A plus. One could have not gotten a good grade on a test. Okay. So the first line. Without an A, you could not get an A plus on a test. Okay. So A plus. One could have not gotten a good grade on a test. Mark it. Now the last one, ATM. One could have never withdrawn money easily. Okay. So ATM. One could have never withdrawn money easily. See, you would never use an ATM. Okay, so already I told you will use ATM to withdraw money. Okay, so ATM one could have never withdrawn money easily. Have you all completed? Yes. So that's it for today. So students, I hope you all are clear with this poem. So your study portion is already I told you the memory poem, the first 10 lines of this poem, and your assignment is cursive writing note, try page number 10. Okay, your study portion is book exercise as well, the first 10 lines of the poem, and your assignment is cursive writing page number 10. So that's all for today. Until we meet again, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.